Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to teach you how to promote Clickbank products for free, even if you are a beginner, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. This channel is all about growing your online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, landing pages, sales funnels, or building websites so you can take your business to the next level. So first of all, you want to go to this website called Clickbank. It's one of the biggest affiliate networks where you can choose from lots of different products. First, you're going to need to create an account. So go here, create account, and then fill the information and you will receive your unique ID, which will be included in your affiliate links, and every time you make a sale, you will earn a commission. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to go back. After you created your account, next you are gonna go to this affiliate marketplace right here. And on the left side you will see many different categories. On Clickbank, I would recommend you choose the category you know the best. It's better to be familiar with products you want to promote because basically you know more about them. You are probably passionate about them, so that's why it's important to go for those kinds of products so people are more likely to buy from you. Do not pick something you have never tried or even heard before. It will be much harder for you to promote. Of course, from all of these categories on Clickbank, there are 3 of them which can make you the most amount of money. First category is called e-business or e-marketing, and it's basically money-making niche. Second category is called health and fitness. And the third category is self-help or dating world. In this particular example, I'm gonna go with health and fitness category. So I choose health and fitness right here. On this page, I will sort results by gravity. This basically means the higher the gravity, the more the product sells. Also, there are more things I can mention. So this is how much you can get per sale. This is how many percent is the commission you get for each sale. And these two are recurring sales, meaning you are getting paid every month the customer stays. So if you choose your product, for example this one, you can click promote, and here you will put your unique ID and then you click generate hop links and you will get your affiliate link. So here comes the question, how to promote your affiliate link? Well, there is paid traffic and free traffic. I wouldn't recommend you to go with paid traffic, especially when you are starting out. You can lose money and it's not a good way to start your affiliate marketing. You should start promoting Clickbank products with free traffic and then you can slowly transition to paid traffic. So how do you start with free traffic? The best free option in these days is YouTube. When people search something, they usually go to Google or YouTube. There is no secret that people want to solve their problems watching YouTube videos. You can create a YouTube channel practically for free. But I know that many people don't want to be on the camera. You don't have to put your face in it. You can create animated videos or screen recording videos, or you can actually hire someone in order to do it for you. After you created your channel, you can start recording videos around the topic or niche you've selected on Clickbank, and you can make reviews about the particular product. But better way is to share value about the product. Do not try to sell the product, just talk about benefits and how it helped you and show them how it can solve the problem they may have. This is very important, so remember that. After you add so much value, you can refer them to that product by saying something like, if you want to learn more about it, then I will put a link in the description, so check it out. Also, this is not a get-rich scheme. It's a long-term process and you have to be patient in order to make it work. So remember, with any Clickbank product, always share value about that product and help people to solve their problems. But what if with YouTube you do not feel comfortable at all? You can try next free option, which is blogging. You can start writing some blog posts related to your niche or particular Clickbank product. You can create free website with WordPress, for instance, and you can start writing your own posts and you can highlight some words and insert your affiliate link inside them. Do not forget to provide value. This is the most important thing, whether it's YouTube or blogging. Make sure you are providing enough value to people and you are gonna get much higher conversion rate. Of course, there are more free options how you can promote your Clickbank products, but I wanted to highlight these 2 free options because they are the best and convert the most. So if you wanna get started with Clickbank free traffic, choose either YouTube or blogging. And if you have some money to invest and you wanna try paid traffic, like solo ads for instance, I will put a link in the description on how to do that correctly, so be sure to check it out. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as best I can. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.